racing just started with Trip to Heaven. Break quick over start. Bull Session rushing up Nawariya Zariz. Number 4 in this one is Silver Scrimps. Taxi while Directors Diva is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. Racing down the back stretch, we have Silver Scrim by about 2 lengths, and in second now is a Bull Session. 4 lengths back in third comes Trip to Heaven. Taxi while Directors Diva is still racing in last. Back to the leader now. We have 2 runners. Party around for the lead. The Silver Screen. Bull Session now moving a party outside. Then 5 legs back in third comes Trip to Heaven. Next on length. Taxi while Directors Diva is still racing in last 400 meters of the race. Bull Session down the inside Silver Screen. Then here comes Trip to Heaven now trying to get closer in third. Taxi Directors Diva as they swing for him. Bull Session moving up Nawariya Zariz at Trip to Heaven to take the lead. Taxi's running by the road. We have Trip to Heaven. Taxi's got it inside and it's close. Trip to Heaven. Taxi, Bull Session, Directors Diva.
At meron tayong close finish for race number 5 between number 2 Trip to Heaven and number 5 Taxi. Klaro din, pangatlo yung 3 Bull Session. At meron tayong photo finish for first place.